Bracy, Mr. Bracy's repairability test. His policy number is P, number sign, hashtag 33-ED-E6448. He's at 7527 McCrimmon Parkway. We were doing a repairability test just due to the level of the shingle that we have. This is the shingle. It is a wind damaged shingle, as you see. It's got the line all the way across. So to repair this shingle, it's this right here. This is the whole shingle, these 3 tabs. So let me get a repair and kind of show you how we would have to repair it. So here is, this is already popping up. So we have to get over here. So I have a nail here to get out. You see the mat transfer under here as well. By doing so, which compromises the shingle. This one as well. Again, mat transfer, compromising the shingle above them. There's another one. Let's get into there. Another one there. Another shingle, or another nail. Here. And here. This one you can see is already pretty much wind damage, but try to be as careful as possible. You can see these nails are ripping right through, so again you see all that underneath. Over here. Mat transfer on that as well. Right here. So mat transfer is going to happen every time we need to do a new shingle, so it's just building out from that. So pulling out the shingle there, as you see. I mean, all the mat transfers. You got a lot of granule loss on that, going all the way up, and it's, again, with these mat transfers, it's compromising all those shingles above it as well. So that's the end of the report. To us, we don't feel like we can repair this, so we're gonna have a failed report on this. And then we'll send pictures over with how many compromised shingles there would be as well. Thank you.